Photoshop CS6 is a release that is packed with truly game-changing performance boosts. We're now leveraging the Mercury graphics engine for optimum speed and productivity gains. So this means that many popular and useful day-to-day features are much more fluid and faster. Areas like Liquify, Transform, the new Blur Gallery, and even the new Lighting Effects Gallery experience tremendous performance gains. Further, we now have Background Save and Auto Recover, two truly beneficial productivity enhancements that really are going to be enjoyed by all. So let me show you some of these new improvements that I just mentioned. Here in Photoshop, if I want to invoke Background Save or Auto Recover, I simply pop into my Preference panel and turn on that checkbox. I can also tell Photoshop how often I want it to save my file for auto recovery. So now let's jump into Liquify with this image. Some of the smaller changes we have around Liquify are the ability to load your last mesh. Also, with brush size, we've increased that brush size maximum. And what I really like is the ability to resize your brush directly on canvas using shortcut keys. But the best improvement of all for Liquify is the fact that we're now leveraging the Mercury graphics engine, which means that you can actually edit in real time, and the results, they're instantaneous. So that's just a quick look at some of the performance boosts we have leveraging the Mercury graphics engine in Photoshop CS6.